Hey there, gorgeous! Want your wig to look flawless and fabulous for weeks on end? Stick around because today I'm sharing my top tips on how to maintain your wig like a pro. Welcome back to the channel, fabulous queens. If you're new here, I'm your go-to resource for everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Whether you're rocking a sleek bob, soft curls, bone-straight hair, or long, luxurious waves, maintaining your wig is the secret to keeping it looking fresh and expensive every single time you wear it. A good wig is not cheap, and even if it's affordable, you still want to get your money's worth. The truth is, most wigs don't get ruined because they're bad wigs. They get ruined because of wrong washing, too much heat, rough combing, or bad storage. But don't worry, I've got you. Today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about wig care, from washing and styling to storage and everyday maintenance. These tips will help you keep your wig soft, clean, and beautiful for longer, so you can slay confidently without always buying a new one. Washing your wig. Let's start with washing your wig because this is the foundation of good wig maintenance. Just like your natural hair, wigs collect sweat, dirt, oils, and product buildup. If you don't wash it, it starts looking dull, stiff, tangled, and sometimes it even starts smelling. A wide tooth comb and a clean towel. If you don't have wig shampoo, don't panic, but try not to use harsh products that can dry the wig out. Next, fill a basin with cool or lukewarm water. Please don't use hot water because hot water can damage the fibers, especially if your wig is synthetic. Now add a small amount of shampoo and mix it gently in the water. Place your wig inside the water and let it soak. Then gently swirl it around. Don't scrub it, don't twist it, and don't rub it aggressively like you're washing clothes, because that can cause tangling and shedding. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then rinse it under cool water until all the shampoo is out. After washing, apply conditioner gently through the hair. If it's a curly wig, focus more on the ends because that's where dryness usually shows first. Leave the conditioner for a few minutes, then rinse it out properly. Now for drying, don't wring the wig. Just gently press out excess water with your hands, lay it flat on a towel, and allow it to air dry. Avoid hanging it while it's wet because it can stretch the cap and ruin the wig's shape. If you want to speed up drying, you can place it in front of a fan, but don't use direct heat unless it's a human hair wig and you really know what you're doing. Styling your wig. Now that your wig is clean, let's talk about styling. This part is very important because styling is where most people damage their wigs without realizing it. First rule, always detangle before you style. Use a wide tooth comb or a proper wig brush. Start from the ends and work your way up slowly. Don't start from the roots because you'll pull the hair and cause shedding. Second rule, heat protection. If you're using any hot tools like straighteners, curling irons, or hot combs, always use a heat protectant spray. If your wig is synthetic, you need to be extra careful because too much heat can melt the fibers instantly. For synthetic wigs, always use low heat or avoid heat completely unless the wig is labeled heat-friendly. If your wig is human hair, you can style it like your natural hair, but still don't overdo it. Too much heat every day will dry it out and make it look old faster. Try to style it once and maintain it instead of restyling it daily. For curly wigs, if the curls start looking tired or messy, you don't need to wash the whole wig every time. You can refresh it with a little water mixed with leave-in conditioner. Lightly mist it, then use your fingers to reshape the curls. Let it dry naturally and your curls will bounce back nicely. Brushing it aggressively. Sometimes all it needs is gentle detangling and a small amount of wig-friendly serum or conditioner to calm it down. Storing your wig. Now let's talk about storage, because storage can either keep your wig looking brand new or destroy it slowly without you noticing. The best way to store your wig is on a wig stand. This helps it keep its shape, keeps the cap in good condition, and prevents unnecessary tangling. If you don't have a wig stand, you can use a mannequin head or even a wig hanger. But please don't just throw your wig into a drawer or toss it on the bed. That's how it gets matted, dusty, and tangled. Also, protect your wig from dust and sunlight. Dust makes the wig look dull and dirty, and sunlight can fade the color over time. You can cover your wig with a silk or satin scarf, or keep it in a satin bag. If you have the original wig pack, you can store it there too. Just make sure it's neat. Another important thing is this: never store your wig while it's wet or damp. If you've been outside, sweating, or it's been raining, let your wig dry completely before putting it away. Moisture trapped inside the cap can cause a bad smell and even mildew, and once that happens, the wig becomes hard to manage. Regular maintenance. Finally, let's talk about regular maintenance, because wig care is not something you do once and forget. Small habits make a huge difference. Always check your wig for signs of wear. Look out for shedding, tangling, frizz, and thinning areas, especially around the hairline and parting space. If you notice a small tear or loose stitching, fix it early before it becomes a big problem. Some small areas can be sewn back carefully, and some can be fixed with wig glue, depending on the type of wig. If your wig is a lace wig, take extra care of the lace. Don't pull it aggressively. When removing your wig, be gentle and patient. Rushing removal is one of the fastest ways to destroy lace. Also, create a simple routine. If you wear your wig every day, washing every 7 to 10 wears is a good schedule. If you wear it occasionally, you can wash it less often, but don't allow heavy product buildup to sit for too long. And one last tip: if you want your wig to last longer, reduce friction. Too much rubbing against rough clothes like sweaters can cause tangling at the back. If you notice that area always getting rough, that's why. So there you have it, ladies. Wig maintenance doesn't have to be stressful. Once you know what to do, it becomes easy and even fun. Washing it gently, styling it carefully, storing it properly, and keeping up with small maintenance habits will keep your wig looking fresh, soft, and beautiful for weeks and even months. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and drop your favorite wig care tips in the comments, because I want to hear what works for you too. And if you want more beauty and lifestyle content like this, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay confident, stay glowing, and stay fabulous. Until next time, bye!